Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here with Cameron, who is behind the cameras today, and we are back in the studio to introduce our first showcase launch for 2025. This is the beautiful Bridal Bandstand Gift Box. Here we are, our first showcase of 2025, starting strong. I think this is a beautiful showcase die set for you. Let's have a look at the dies first of all so we can see what we are working with. So here is our beautiful Bridal Bandstand Gift Box die set. That is quite the mouthful to try and get out, but as you can see, you can make this lovely bandstand themed box. So you actually have this little gift box in the base here, and you can stack that if you want to. You can make it taller. You can also make a lantern with this as well. And then we have like this little extra option, and I will show you as we go through the samples how that was put together. Very, very cute. I love the bride and groom detail in here. And you do have two of each. I'll show you that in the dies. Here is the back as well, so you can see a little bit more detail. All of the dies that you get in the set, which as you can see, pretty packed. We are rocking 46 dies in this set. Full instructions inside as always, and here are your dies. So what we have in here are the main components for making your bandstand. So you've got your lovely hexagonal piece, you've got all of these beautiful trellis work patterns as well. So if you want them to be lanterns, you can make it with that. You can also use this to actually cut out, so if you wanted your bandstand to have proper like panels in them and then just have this opening, you could do it that way as well. You do have a verso edge in there, or you can go with the standard kind of trellis fence and then the arched almost like a window on there. Like I said, you do have your bride and your groom, but what you will notice is you actually have multiples of them, the reason being that you have them facing both ways. This gives you a couple of options, so it means that you can back them, because obviously the bandstand is open, there is no back to this, so you're going to want the back side of your standing upright figure to look as good as the front, but it also means that you could have two brides facing each other, or two grooms facing each other if you wanted to. We have options for you. Carrying on then, you do have a lovely little park bench to go inside the bandstand as well. And of course we have a lot of decoration in here. There are flowers tucked pretty much everywhere, all on the same plate as well. So you've got this set of 4 flowers on here on a single plate. You've got a 2 here. There's 4 little ditzy ones down here. There's another 3 over here. There's a nice big flower on its own here. We've got some trailing ivy down here, and then some ivy stem as well, and then we've got a miniature trailing ivy here too. Oh, another stem to add to your ivy. So lots and lots of detail and little bits that you can add in. I've just noticed there's another stem over here as well. I think that's all of them now. I think I'm caught up. You've got your handle for your lantern. We do have a hinge. This is so you can add your gift box into the base and hinge that, but a couple of people have also hinged the lids on their lanterns as well, which is a very nice feature. And then you do have the little locking mechanism so you can put a ribbon and actually close up your gift box. So a lot of dies, a lot of options in there for you. Hopefully this is already kind of sparking some little things in your imagination. Let's have a look then at some of the amazing samples that the design team have made. We'll start with the ones that are on the packaging so you can see those a little bit closer. So here is the first one. So here you've got your little couple through that beautiful archway. Look at all the flowers that are around here. Absolutely stunning. And then you've got all of the ivy coming down the roof as well. Here is where your gift box is. Oh, I'm going to have to open this bow. It's all been photographed, so it's fine. I can open it now. It doesn't matter. This is the last time it needs to be seen looking pretty, because you know I'm never going to get that bow tied back up again with that tiny bit of ribbon. Okay, so you have a little latch on the front, and then you've got that little piece that sticks onto the bottom. And then this part is hinged, so you can put a gift in here. So this would be good if you were using this as like a wedding gift. You could get cash in there. Everyone likes cash money for a wedding, or a nice gift card. Definitely jewelry would fit nicely in there. So perhaps you are giving someone something borrowed or something new or something old, or even something blue before their wedding. It would be a lovely way to gift that as well. Or these could be, I think, table centerpieces at a wedding as well. I think they'd be really nice for that. And you could maybe hide some talking point prompts in the base as well. So a lovely, lovely set. You can see all the way around here, and this is what I mean. Your couple, you do see them from the back as well, which is why we have given you the dies of them facing both ways. So that is the first one. We also then had a lantern. I have really done myself not a favour here. Hold on, I'm gonna have to do a long lean. This is the problem with filming by myself. I've only got my arms to reach stuff. Okay, whew, I made it. So we also have this beautiful lantern. This is made with black cardstock, and then it has been moussed to within an inch of its life to give it that kind of old tarnished metal look. I love the fact that we've got these extra panels in the center of the lantern overlaid in that gold mirror card as well. Absolutely stunning. And this one, the lid lifts off completely. So it has a tea light in here to be used as a lantern, but you could also use that as a very sizable gift box on its own as well. Very, very pretty. Can I get that back? No, it's just going to go there. Right, the last one that we have on the packaging is this one. Now, I'm not sure who started this and who finished it. I know there was a tale of Karen started one and Jodie finished it for her. I'm not sure if it's this one, but this one is kind of like a slightly different take on it. So we don't have the whole bandstand top this time. This hexagon, if I bring the die set back in, and I'll hold it up here. So that hexagon has been used, cut using these two dies here together. If you cut them, your outer and then cut your inner, you're going to end up with a hexagon frame like this. And then it has just been scored and cut at the back. Hopefully you can just about see that in here, where it's been scored to stand up on the top and kind of make like a slightly more modern arch on the top of there. But it is still a gift box. We do still have the option to open this up, and then you do have a gift box inside. And this one has been made double height as well, which is what I mean. You can stack that if you want to. And unfortunately, our little bench has had a slight accident. I think the council didn't do a very good job of cementing that one in. But I love the fact that you can make something that looks completely different, but still has all of that wedding theming going on too. Very, very pretty. Okay, moving on then from the packaging ones to all of the other amazing samples. So we've got this beautiful one that has come in from our Vicky. Love this. We've got a pair of brides in here, beautifully decorated with flowers. I love that she's got a little flower in her hair. And then this one has a matching belt made of the same flowers. I really like that. And then some flowers and ribbon up here, of course. A couple of flowers around the front too. Very, very pretty. This is using our... Which paper is this?
Dusky Rose.
Dusky Rose. Thank you very much. We've done so many at this point. Trying to keep all of their names in my head is starting to become difficult. But I absolutely love this. I do really like the... mirror around the edge too. Satin mirror cardstock. Love it. Very, very pretty. If I stick with bandstands for now, and then I'll come back to lanterns. I've got another one all the way around here. Sorry, leaning. Please hold. Okay, I've got it. This one is from Shabney's, and Shabney's has gone with Frosted Rose. Yes, pinks and blues is Frosted Rose. This is how I have to remember them now. But yeah, using that as, I guess, inspiration for a colour scheme, we've got some lovely Baroque Rose satin mirror card on the top. I'm thinking now, is it Baroque? Yeah, it is, it is. I love all of the pink ivy down the side, and they're just white flowers with a nice blue drop in the middle. I'm thinking it's a crystal drop, a glitter drop. Yeah, it's the Navy Dazzle, I think it is. The glitter drop in the middle of that. I absolutely love that. Very, very pretty. all the way around too. Gorgeous. Thank you very much for that one, Japanese. Oh, I've got another one in here. Got 'em. This one is from Roche. And Roche has gone very classic pink with all that lovely greenery. And I love the fact that she has got the ivy going all the way around the trellis, around the outside of the bandstand as well. Very, very pretty. And look at all those flowers around the archway. But just very classic silhouettes in white. Very, very nice. Thank you so much for that one, Roche. And then I think I have one more, no, two more bandstands. So this one is from Vicky also. A beautiful lilac option. I love the fact that obviously if you are making gifts for someone for their wedding, you can be inspired by their invitation. That's going to give you a hint as to what colours they're using for their wedding, and you can make sure that their gift coordinates with it, which I think is a fabulous reason to hand make someone a wedding gift. Love the little flowers all the way around the edge of here, and also I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but just in here it looks like we've got some aqua shimmer going on. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick that up, but trust me, it is there all the way around, and even in the top sections as well, just to give it that little bit of extra sparkle. Very, very pretty. Thank you so much for that one, Vicky. And then last bandstand that I have is this one here from Ruth. And again, Ruth has gone very classic. I love the big sort of swathe of flowers at the top. So it's more of like a top arch rather than a full arch going on here. Again, a beautiful cream silhouette for the couple in the background. A little bit of ivy and flowers coming down from the roof as well. And then just a very classic colour scheme going on here. The second set of flowers on here. Like, this would be a great photograph, right? The couple in a bandstand, but from behind as they were looking at each other, you know, as a photographer. Like, that's a lovely shot, right? Very, very pretty. Thank you so much for that one, Ruth. Okay, so that is all of the bandstands. Let's go lanterns then. I've got this fabulous one from Roche here in this beautiful blue cardstock with copper satin mirrors cardstock on there. Very, very pretty. I really like that. Lovely colour scheme. I've got a very Moroccan kind of looking one here. This one is from Chablis. So again, copper. Very much a theme, I think, with this, but then using our new ombre mirror card. Arabian Nights. Yeah. Whew, I got the nod. It was the right one. But yeah, absolutely perfect on this. Love, love, love that. And the handle too, look. Pew, pew. Lantern. I've got another one over here. Can I reach it without knocking everything over? Possibly. Yes, I can. This one is from Ruth. So a beautiful cream and pink lantern. Lots and lots of flowers decorating this one all around the top as well. And Ruth has actually put the tags on either side of hers and tied them with ribbon to hold the lid on, so you can actually hang this one as well, which I really like. Okay, you go back into there. What I didn't mention actually, this one from Roche. Roche has actually hinged the lantern on the inside as well to keep her lid on, so that it's not separate, which I think is a fantastic idea. You do have the hinge die in the set, so that is an option for you. Lastly then, I have one more lantern from Vicky, a very, very classic one, this in cream and gold, and then just with these really striking red flowers across the top. Absolutely beautiful. I really love the fact that a lot of people have picked out this panel in a separate colour. I think it's very striking, very, very classic kind of look. And this one is actually all cut in around the top as well, so you're going to get light coming all the way out of the top of this if you do use it as a lantern. The very last make that I have then, this one has come in from Chablis, and Chablis has made it just into a gift box. So what she's done is she's actually cut out the sides as you would for the bandstand, but then put vellum behind them. So just some of our lovely gold pearl vellum around the sides of here. And again, we've got the lid, but with all of the panels just layered up so they're not cut in this time. but then you can use this as, like I say, a very sizable gift box on its own if you want to. And this one, she specifically said that she'd kind of themed this around an aviary. So she had obviously some papers in her stash with little birds and things on them. So we've got birds on here, and there's butterflies around the top as well, and some extra flowers and ephemera too. So definitely have a look through your stash and see what you think is going to work well for your mix. So this set is available from us now, and because it is a showcase coming directly from us, it is going to come with your wallet and magnetic sheet as well. In the UK, this is going to be £34.99, and in the US it is $36.99. If you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, don't forget you do also get your TCK discount, your 10% off that price as well. You can pay in installments on our website if you would like to, using PayPal, ShopPay and Klarna. One of those options at least will be available for you at checkout, so pick out whichever one works best for you. If you do grab this showcase, don't forget to tag us in your makes. Thank you, Cameron. We would absolutely love to see what you make with these. Are you going to be making for a wedding, like the decoration? Are you going to be making it as a wedding gift? Are you taking it completely away from weddings and doing something completely different? Do let us know. I'd love to hear some of your comments down below as well. What else do I need to tell you? If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!